What's going on, guys? It's Chris here. Welcome to my first YouTube video. It took me a little while to get this first video out, but I'm glad that I'm finally getting it going. If you're curious of what I found, stay tuned, find out. See, don't feel any refrigerant going through the line set. Let's check the float switch. Completely dry. It's running in here, so let's go check outside. Well, let's go and check that condenser. See what we got. Compressor is not running. Both LEDs are flashing. Nothing on here. Let's see if it tells us anything. Oh yeah, right there. Both are flashing. That's normal, it says so. Right now this compressor should be running, but it's not. The fan is. So we're going to take out the disconnect. Ouch. I want to test this capacitor. Our fan. Herm. And one of our commons. See what's rated for real quick. 45.5. And we have oops. Hopefully y'all can see. Got 5. $45. Got the right ratings. But our compressor is not running. Let's plug our contactor back in and watch what it does. High voltage on top of the contactor. 248. So there's no problem there. Let's check our charge. I was gonna show that it's on our low side just because that's the gauge I have hooked up. We got 256. Let's take an amp reading. Thing ain't even trying to start. So I'm getting the call, I'm getting the high voltage, but this compressor won't start. So now we're gonna jump in. Pressure's cold. Look at this. The thing ain't even in there all the way. Our plug. Well, let's grab our meter. Alright, so I got my meter set to check continuity. So let's find a clean piece of copper, which, I mean, there really isn't one. I guess this would be considered clean. It has the coating on it, but let's see if that works. So I'm gonna let y'all see the meter. Hopefully y'all can see what that says. Okay, so I got one lead going to the compressor, one to the copper. So we're not grounded, but our plug is damaged. So I cleaned off the terminals. I got our plug back in place. I did clean it up as well. So we're just gonna see if it works or if it needs to be replaced. So let me crawl out of here. Before we start this, I want to make sure our fan is back in place. Got our fan back on. I haven't screwed it on there yet, just in case for whatever reason I need to crawl back in there, but let's try this out. It's pulling heat alright. Let me get this screwed back on. Okay. Now I want to check if I can get a good spot to grab it. There we go. 15.7 on our black. Okay, and it calls for 23 is run load amps. Lock rotor amps 118, so we're even under our run load amps for sure, so that's good. And our fan is going to be 1, so let's check that as well, just because we're here. We're at 0.7. Our line down here is back to beer can cold, and we got it condensating, so this thing is looking great. I'm gonna close this up and head down. Okay. We'll just leave that there for a second. Let me see. Probably can't see that. There we go. 89 right now. We'll just wait for it to drop. That way we know for sure it's doing its job. But I mean, it's already feeling way better in here. Yeah. It's doing its job for sure. Alright, I'll catch back up with y'all once I see this drop. So, we're at 87. I'm gonna set this to 76 because that's what they asked for. I believe it started at 89 if I'm not mistaken, so dropped down 2 degrees. I just finished putting up my ladder and everything, and well, yeah, I mean, it's cooling. So, let's get out of here. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. If y'all enjoyed this as much as I do, feel free to give me a like, subscribe, share this with family, friends, you know, help put me out there. I had a bunch of fun doing it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Aside from that, that's all I got. I'll see you on the next one.